Hello and welcome back to your favorite channel on YouTube, Math Vibes, where learning math is so much fun. And here we have come up with one more video on decimals where we are going to tell you about some important points about decimals, such as zeros after the decimal. What about that? Many times we ignore it, but why? And finding the kind of decimals. Okay, like how do I know what kind of a decimal is this? So these type of questions we are going to cover up in this very short video about decimals. Alright, and before that, please take a minute to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Okay, so how do I know what kind of decimal it is? How do I know? कैसे पता चलेगा किस type का decimal है? We have learned about tenth, hundred, thousand and so many things. Okay, so how will I come to know about that? Well, the name of a decimal is determined by the number of places to the right of the decimal point. Okay, the name of a decimal is determined by the number of places to the right of the decimal point. मतलब decimal जो part है, we know very well till now after watching our videos that there are two parts in a decimal. So decimal part में जो decimal point के बाद right side पे जितने places हों उतना ही उस decimal का वही उस decimal की type है, वही उस decimal की kind है. ठीक है, let's look at it with more examples, okay, so that you can understand it better. Okay, so let us look at this table today to understand this concept better. So if we see the number of places and the decimal value and some example I have given for you. So if number of places after the decimal point is 1, like here we have 0.8. Okay, to the right side, now we have done that to the right side here it is only one place. Okay, so one place means tens. One place means tens. Okay, now if after the decimal you have two digits. Okay, after the decimal now you have two digits. The digits are 9 and 6. So what will be its decimal name? Its decimal name will be hundreds. Okay, its decimal name will be hundreds. Alright, and now let's look at this. Now if we have 0.753 means 3 decimal places. 0.753, 3 decimal places. Okay, so the name will be thousands. Okay, so the name will be thousands. That's it. Okay, so this will tell you the number of decimal places. After the right will tell you that what kind of decimal it is. Okay, have you understood it? Now coming to our question number 2, which is what happens when there are so many zeros after the decimal point? Okay, if there are 1, 2, 3 or 4 or so many zeros after the decimal point, then what actually happens to them? Well, writing extra zeros after the decimal point does not change its value. Come on, they are not whole numbers. If I add 0 to 1, then it becomes 10. And if I add 2 zeros, it becomes 100. If I add 3 zeros, it becomes 1000. But hey, come on, we are talking about decimal numbers, which are not complete numbers. They are just a part. Okay. Alright, so how can zeros increase its value? Zero increases the value of a number when the number is a whole number. Okay, oh sorry, when a number is a natural number. Okay, so how can they increase the value of a decimal number also? So for decimal number, even if you write so many hundred zeros after the decimal point, it is not going to change the value. For example, if you write like 0.200, two zeros you have added after two decimal point, so it is going to be same as 0.2. It hardly makes any difference if you add 2 zeros, 3 zeros or so many zeros. Okay, so no need to write any zeros after the decimal. Let's look at more examples to understand it better. So for example, if you write 56.2 and 3 zeros you add to it, it is going to be same as 56.2. 651.00 is going to be same as 651. So what is the fun of adding zeros, right? And 0.20000, even if you add 4 zeros after 2, it is going to be same as 0.2. So there is no fun adding zeros after the decimal point. Well, if they are after a natural number, obviously they'll increase its value. But if zeros are after decimal numbers, sorry, no gains. Okay, alright. So if you like a videos, please press the subscribe button and do subscribe for our latest videos, and you can visit our channel also for more videos. Okay, and we'll really appreciate if you will like and share our videos to encourage us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.